Hey y'all, it's Doe's Craft Day with one of my biggest hauls yet, a Joann's craft haul. We're going to open the smallest package first and let's see what we got. It's a baby knit looms kit. I'm so excited to have this one. I'm going to be doing a giveaway with that one once I start getting into making my things. Let's just toss that out the way because that is not what I'm here for. Afghan knitting loom number 1. Afghan knitting loom number 2. Once you make your first blanket, you'll understand my reasoning for having, let's see, 3. I have 3 Afghan knitting looms. Then this is a knitting basics loom. I have a measuring tape, some stitch markers, and oh my goodness, yes, a crochet hook. I'm so excited. And a plastic knitting needle. I forgot that I ordered this one, and this one is a looming pin. So see you guys on my live on Saturday. Bye.